I'm so glad we're not actually going camping.
Did I hear someone say camping? Kids, we are going camping.
Where are we going?
Can we bring our goggles?
Don't worry, we're taking the new Space Acacia. Honey, the Acacia has created the perfect tent system for the ultimate camping experience. It just pops. Push. And pump. And that's it. It's just that easy to assemble.
Is it strong enough for my kids? I mean, is this thing even durable? Oh my gosh, it feels so nice.
It's 300D Oxford cloth, strong enough for even the most rugged conditions. The air floor is made of 4 layers of material: a base fabric, space yarn, a first coating, and a second coating, to make it 100% weatherproof and durable for any condition. There's plenty of space inside, and the patented air floor can withstand up to 4,000 pounds of pressure. With the Rain Fly and Rain Cape, you'll be protected from winds up to 40 miles per hour and rain. Some crazy sideways rain too, with its PU 2000 rating. The Space Acacia's unique tent system keeps the inside temperature warm and stable in cold weather, so you won't freeze your butt off, as long as you stay inside of it. And baby, the canopy is made of thermal insulation fabric. It adds more shadow area and sun protection of UPF 50+. It also allows great ventilation when you have the window vents open, and keeps you warm when it gets cold.
Oh, that one smelled bad, babe.
Luckily, the large mesh windows give plenty of air ventilation. Who's gonna turn off the light?
Me.